We got nice slices of a half a cucumber here, a cup of julienne carrots. So it's nice and hot. 2 cups of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Add this hot pickling liquid directly on our vegetables. It's going to bring that sour tang. Nice. So this beautiful trifecta of colorful vegetables is going to top my Vietnamese salad. An hour will be perfect for this. All right, let's start building the layers of flavors for our pork.
Go.
Add 1 yellow onion diced, 8 cloves of chopped garlic, sweating here, and some vegetable oil. Let's bring another level of flavor, fresh ginger. So about a tablespoon of that. Oh yeah, keep going. I know, just when you think it's too much, it's not enough. Mama Sue taught me that the hard way. Perfect. Give it a stir. So I just love how the Saigon sisters developed that caramel sauce. To mimic that, I'm going to use hoisin sauce, fish sauce, and third, some of that pickling liquid, right? A half a cup of that. Woo! Oh, man. Second sauce. Fish sauce, right? Quarter cup of this. It gives a certain something, the salty, fishy quality. One more thing, the hoisin sauce. A quarter cup of this. It's spicy. It's sweet. Look at this. Now it's getting that caramely.